4 or 5 months ago, IION helped fund our new power rescue wheel. It is an EV wheel, electronic wheel, that snaps onto rescue baskets. Typically, they have to use a 5-man crew to carry a person out who's injured. With the rescue wheel, they essentially can engage by just squeezing the trigger. When they let go, it unengages. And we changed the evacuation time underground from, typical example would be a 45-minute evacuation, now takes 5 minutes and 37 seconds. If you have coronary event or if you're injured and need immediate attention, they can carry you out manually and it'll take them an hour or so, or they can use the power wheel and get you out in 5 minutes. And that may be the difference between living and not living. And IION helped fund the initial prototypes that we did, the work and the equipment that we went into putting it together. And that rescue wheel is now bundled into our mine rescue toolkit as a series of products that we now have for emergency response and mine rescue. And so they were instrumental in sort of, again, accelerating the development window for that so that we were able to do it faster and get into prototyping and field testing very quickly.